Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PTN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Now, I've been doing this analysis on a pretty routine basis, so that is where these green and red line annotations are coming from. But on that note, what I'm going to actually do is some house cleaning, and I'm going to delete these lines out of here. Sure, they still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion with lines all over the place. So let's just try to keep this as clean as possible, and we'll kind of just start over, if you will, in regards to levels of support. One of the newest areas of support and what I would call the ideal level, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward would be if the price can stay up above 95 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 95, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined. But yeah, if it can stay up above there, that would be a huge sign of power. Taking a step back and applying the KISS method, keep it simple, stupid. So if you are somebody that's just interested in more so the overall health of the move, this right here being defined as the move. What's a very straightforward way to do that? Well, that all revolves around the purple line right here, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is just going to continue to move itself higher and higher. So if you care about the big picture, the health of the movement, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls are in full health, full control, full strength. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, preferably speaking, stay up above 95 cents, but from the grand scope of things viewpoint, as long as it's up above the purple line, the overall trend is fully in the bulls' control. What about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some next potential battlegrounds? Pretty straightforward at this point in time, and I'm just going to talk about one, and that's right up there at basically the dollar level. The dollar is always a psychological one anyways, but really resistance levels don't matter that much, because as long as the price keeps on doing what it's been doing, specifically putting in higher bases, higher lows, then the chart has no room to go other than up. And when it's going up, it's automatically breaking those areas of resistance. So great day today, and as long as the price keeps on building those higher bases, I'll keep on coming back and changing these red lines to green, and that's the name of the game. So we'll see how this one continues to unfold for the week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.